Welcome to LUXCHAINS.online, the revolutionary trading platform designed to make your trading experience as seamless and rewarding as possible. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, LUXCHAINS.online has the tools, resources, and support you need to achieve your financial goals. Starting your journey with LUXCHAINS is easy. Our straightforward registration process requires just your basic details. In no time, you'll be ready to explore the platform's wide range of features, designed to cater to traders of all levels. We believe that minimizing barriers at the start helps you focus on what truly matters, trading. We understand that every trader has unique needs. That's why LUXCHAINS offers multiple account types. If you're new to trading, our beginner accounts are perfect, with lower deposits and simpler tools. For the more experienced, our advanced accounts provide powerful tools and higher leverage to maximize your trading potential. Navigating LUXCHAINS is a breeze, thanks to our intuitive platform design. From executing trades to analyzing market data, everything is just a click away. You can access your account from any device, ensuring you stay connected with the markets wherever you are. For those who demand more, LUXCHAINS offers advanced tools like customizable charts, technical indicators, and risk management features. These tools are designed to enhance your trading strategies and give you an edge in the market. At LUXCHAINS, we're committed to your growth. We offer a wealth of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and articles, all designed to help you sharpen your trading skills. Plus, with access to experienced traders and market analysts, you'll get personalized support to navigate complex trading scenarios with confidence. Choosing the right account is crucial for your trading success. LUXCHAINS provides detailed overviews and personalized advice to help you select the account that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Whether you prefer a low-risk approach or are ready for high-leverage trades, we've got you covered. Stay ahead of the curve with LUXCHAINS' dedicated news section. Get real-time updates on market developments and economic events that could impact your trades. Our expert tips and analysis will help you make informed decisions and capitalize on emerging opportunities. LUXCHAINS offers advanced trading tools like real-time data feeds and economic calendars, completely free. Whether you're a novice or an expert, these tools are available to everyone, helping you to level up your trading game without any additional cost. LUXCHAINS.online is more than just a platform. It's your partner in trading success. From beginner-friendly features to advanced tools, from educational resources to personalized support, LUXCHAINS is designed to empower you at every step of your trading journey. Join us and discover how LUXCHAINS.online can help you reach your financial goals.